Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be going over Brent crude oil and just looking at the weekly closes as we come into the end of the week. We've got the US session that's just started. However, in the next few hours, we expect that the market to choose a few directions, potentially, or at least some profit taken across the board. I just wanted to take a look at oil because we do expect this market to go long, but we have been shorting it from the 75s, and we were looking for targets around about 68.50. The market looks like if it does want to close as this weekly candle in here back within the previous weekly candle range, then it could just be a 50% retracement of this weekly move before we see some further upside. I feel like if the market does close like this as we're seeing it now on this weekly time frame, then we should expect the market to continue higher going into next week. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, currently we're kind of just starting to range. We were expecting the market to come back down, hit this 68.50 double bottom, and continue to the upside. At the moment, the market is just stuck between sort of the 71.20s back down all the way into sort of the 69.50s. So really, we're looking for some kind of direction breakout here. Now, if the market does close as we suggested on that weekly time frame, or what we've seen on the weekly time frame currently, then next week I would expect the market to take out these highs back down in here and potentially this trend line resistance stemming from the 30th of April all the way down through there. And then I expect the market to pull back, retest these highs, and continue all the way up into that 75. Now, through May, typically the price of oil is bullish, and with the described it a couple of days ago with regards to the dollar NOK trade, or yesterday talking about the dollar NOK, we spoke about the crude oil inventories affecting that as well. So if we do see a push here in crude oil, Brent crude oil, then our dollar NOK idea should come off as well. So that would be nice to see. So just look for any kind of breakout, any kind of new higher highs on the 4-hour time frame, and then to confirm the direction, look for continuation moves after that. Okay, but oil's looking pretty bullish down here. It doesn't look like there's many sellers down at these areas, especially around about that 69 area. So if you do go long, make sure your stop losses are below these key swing lows, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so look to target 75, and hopefully next week we get some good opportunities. Thanks for joining me today. Speak to you soon.